Okay, so here we have a lint vent that looks pretty good. No barbecues out in front or anything. And so look inside and we see what had happened with this one. Basically, the lint piled up in the filter. I've already, the person has already removed the lint, but basically the lint was about a 1/4 inch thick on this filter. Somebody apparently forgot to clean the lint out. It's got a good vent, nice short vent. It's right outside to that other space I just showed you. And so here's a little warning there for you. Electrical shock hazard, that kind of thing. And so basically, when you get too much lint or you get a plugged lint system somewhere, you blow this thermo cutoff fuse. So that thermo cutoff fuse, my meter's a little off, but basically there's no continuity. And make sure you do this when it's unplugged. You can pull one of these wires off, usually pretty easy, and isolate it just to be sure it's out. So basically she blew the thermo fuse here just for forgetting to clean the lint out of the lint trap. So that's your Kenmore tip for today. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.